Want to know how to read input with scanner? So if you want to read user input from console just by simply using scanner, I got you. So in this video, under a minute, I'm just going to simply show you how you can easily just read a code by using scanner. So in this code right here, we have used a next line. So right here you can see string name and sc.nextLine. What nextLine does is it gets the full name typed by the user, including spaces. So before typing that, make sure we also have scanner sc equals to new scanner with system.in the parentheses. So if this is not here, these next lines also won't work. So that's it. Next, we use next int. So our next int is right here for integer. So as it says int, it basically reads an integer like is. So you must prompt the users to know what to type though. And that's it. A scanner is one of the easiest way to get user inputs. So you can just simply run the code and check it. And here you go. Now I'm just going to write a random name and then type in my age, and then you should be good. Now my name and age has been given just like this. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.